Hi, my name is Darren Joseph from HCJ.tax, and we're the team that seeks to demystify that sometimes confusing world of international tax. And today we have the honor and privilege of having another conversation with Mark. Mark, would you like to introduce yourself?
I'm Mark Morris. I'm based in Zurich. I've been here for nearly 30 years, and I've exclusively devoted myself to automatic exchange of information since the year 2000. And I've been consultant to the EU Commission, the EU Parliament, the OECD regarding automatic exchange, as well as consulting for Tax Justice Network and various other parties. And I would say today, after 25 years, I'm the only person in the entire world that is promoting structures in 4 or 5 different territories that nobody seems to touch. But we'll go through those territories today.
Fantastic. In terms of regulatory oversight, what are the considerations in Holland in terms of regulation? Also, is there some sort of registry anywhere? Could you comment on that?
Basically, the AFS, which is the Authority Financial Services, they are keeping an eye on everything, even though it's unincorporated, etc. The fund is kind of registered with them. It's up to the fund manager to register the fund that this exists. And they're using AIFMD, the European Alternate Investment Fund Directive, implementing it. But this is interesting. It's possible that the FGRs, when they don't raise capital, so they're not looking for capital, everybody's got capital to start, then it doesn't qualify as an investment fund under the Dutch Financial Markets Authority. What happens often is some investors get together and say, we've already got the funds, we're not looking, because people use funds to go look for capital. We're going to set up a fund, we're going to look for investors. But if you are a group of investors with money already, and you're never going to look for outside investors, you're never going to look for additional funds, etc., then you don't have to, there's far less regulation because it's not really defined as an investment fund under the authority of the AIFMD.
That is interesting.
Mark, if someone wanted to get in touch with you, what's the best way to do so?
As I travel a lot, the best way to get hold of me is via my website, co-ownershiptrust.com. And then you can email me or try get hold of me by phone, but that depends on the country that I'm in. If they've got cell phone coverage, I go to some really remote places in the world, Falkland Islands, St. Helena, etc. So the best is via my website.